How to request a Tinder data. Hello everyone, this is Reshma and welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. In today's tutorial video, I am going to guide you how to request Tinder data. Before getting started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. First, you need to go to your Tinder application, as this will lead to this kind of screen interface. Go ahead and tap on profile icon on the bottom, as this will lead to my Tinder profile. Then go to the settings on top right corner. If you scroll all the way down, here you can locate contact us. Tap on the arrow beside help and support. Then different option will appear on your screen like this. Tap on our guide to Tinder, which is on the first. If you go through it, you can find profile and account settings. Tap on it. Now if you scroll down, you will see how do I request a copy of my personal data. Go ahead and click on it. Here it will guide you how you can request a copy of personal data. And once you follow the procedure, you are good to go. And that's how you can request Tinder data. And this was it for this video. Comment your doubts and queries related to this topic on the comment section. If you found this tutorial video informative and easy, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And also press notification bell so you won't be missing any update from us.